Bless everybody. They are sweat, my sister, hold the camera. As we say, we want to get some watch up on YouTube, but we don't want to video them long and meaningless. But we are show you how we call it. We're not Jew still, but how you lift up the ground, like dig up the dirt and heal it up. And then that's how you can plant a sweet potato. Anything, but we're not planting sweet potato right now. We want to plant melon and melon seed. We want to put some more corn, but we're not dig out the side. But if you can see me, you can see me good though. You can see me at this way I start, you know. You know, hear me? If you hear me, I turn on the mic now when the phone battery rocking so I can put the mic on it. So I might just see me and I hear much, you know. So the phone has a good camera still. You know? So I your mouth up now. So heal you up. Train, I come with you, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I dig down on a deep body.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm killing one worm by accident. That's how I know we said feel up. Can't you find the side still?
Can't get you worm?
Why you gone in a dead by accident? Rain I come down. Yeah, it's a heal up in a sense.
You want hold the camera? Maybe put the umbrella over your uncle? Just have the camera.
Thank you so much. Big summer.
You know I'm a sister. Yeah, here, rain is falling. Shout to my brother, my bro. Yeah.
And I follow with you. Okay, come on, the watermelon.
Bible says men shall work hard. Okay? Men gotta work.
The Bible says if you're not eating enough,
By the sweat of your brow, you should eat bread. Hallelujah.
Whatever it says, if you're not work, you don't eat. You say, for any fall for a long time, it's easier to do it, but we don't mind what we're there. Just go and do it. I mean, like, they want that to, you know, but build them up big, because a vine I grow this way, like, because I'm still this up wider to the me do it now, it's wider. I don't just watermelon. Watermelon need too much, you know, but I'm still a hill. Go on, you know. Yes, oh, you go weird way to match I use that for set up in a hill in India, good. Because me I dig this out. The weird thing. The Bible is crazy, you know, when Abraham I go somewhere and the people water before him was actually devil. Somebody said, man, oh, man, this water. It says, no devil here. You have power, but God is more powerful. So one part of me and I see potato. I go and say to this is a second year get up and see potato is big good. Say, I say, how to plant up here, brother. What me do, if you have more money, she may find part this, one part will come and see this, one all this, and when I you can get more time come sir, and put soak away, fancy, not man and going there. I can soak away. If you know, you walk when everything water in the I've never catch it in the rain. Right? If they have a puppy with work on that shit. Because I say, I'm going to the bush. Now, what man? Yeah, the bush coming, but you know, say, come here, do the thing. It's like the Bible says you grow the thorn. That man got a reap for a thorn and left the good food. So, reap the people. The people are not even but they will perish. Well, the doctors and trust God, yeah. They are blaspheming God for nothing. How long have you there reach?
For 19.
4 minutes. Come on, roll, man. I make you reach 10 minutes. But 10 minutes video to the idea. And this is hard work for church. I never show you. Now just do it. This is hard work enough people around from. I get free up now, man. So we go deep. I get free. Now what time is whole and heal you up some better. I'm more dirt now. Sometimes just look this now. I'm not support you. kind there, you know, watch it. Professional, you have to go. Water with the plane now looks in it, more like that, refined. Sometimes look at you look same one.
Michelle.
She late. We look at place, almost lock some other thing. I really want to stop in, but yeah, she will go back and from the chief.
Michelle.
We want to see it, but and talk to him, but come on, if you want to let me buy cement, but you have to clean out too. We don't want to smell done at least by this week.
Michelle.
Interested in me?
You want to go inside?
Hmm?
You want to go inside? Huh?
My hands hurt.
Oh yeah, we're talking about the camera. You're in Canada, he's up still. Tell you, I want to come off this side of she fit. Another time she's sick for one day.
Rain stop.
Realize it's not man. You are looking still. Oh, see, all right, man.
Can I
Yay!
give it to them?
All right, all right, my niece feed fish them. Yeah, what? Go get them. It's on the fridge, all right, man. When you play a can, you can play one can, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is it? 5 can. You didn't visit so we can go and work around the road. The water, man, I'm going to put this. Oh, and if you look down this, I'm going to remember. And water this, I look different. Oh, you have water, put some on it, I know. Water this, I look different. Yeah, man, you can eat, man. Simple as you look. You plant and ready for God bless you. So I get props. Oh, yes, I went with you. Water go way down, man. We're gonna put a house, man, like shit, the time be there, so. So they're still going to do, I think, God first. A pipe. Long time. Plastic pipe that in the ground. From Asian days, of course, messy black pipes. So. That's long time since. I want them to put it to yesterday. I tried to yesterday. Put some seed in there. I want to wait up some more before I put seed in there. Wow. Think of some more. Watermelon growing our shells, so we can taste one for ourselves how we grow. Mom, make a soup and now, so I taste the sweet potato.
Kelly, can you slap my hand? There's a mosquito on it.
Oh, you just want to taste up with sweet potato. What do you taste? I don't taste, but it's big and pretty.
Whatever I want.
There is the body weight. It's not ground. Oh, energy, man. She root there in there. The root pop. Yeah.
gonna get the fish one?
Mm-hmm. Can you take the umbrella with you?
No, because
No, unless in case you're in front
Rain
of the
is
shelter.
falling. I want to look at the fish pot.
Yeah, go ahead.
Gonna quarter going with it. Whoa. But I did tough catch with Jai.
Girl over there so look like man.
Not really, but she dark.
See something will look like will look manish. I look for me.
Oh, girl, very different.
Oh, you might be a JJ can ear twist
So, yeah,
here.
really, my girl, what do you know, man? What's next? I get some little water and I will see you, bro. What you mean?
Oh, it's been 11 minutes.
Oh, keep going, man. The longest video I've ever had in my life. Which 15 minutes is good. Yeah, man, not lie. Tell you work, but want the food at work people, huh? Look on life, God they give enough resources, but someone to see it. Sometimes we want to bless them, but we have to just work people and make God the rest of them. I never share this a moment, I dig up it and just see things them a grow, but never see hard work. I sure hard work, man. We have axe out here in case need axe. That's a fork and this a hoe. Who need an outfit. Wow. She don't know where to put man. You look at last side of it. Seem like when you get rid of no nice stick them. So rain fall, the stay sticky, I'll be mulching. The crop. Dry time come. One piece of see the rest so it's okay. It looks perfect. I'll try. Right. I'll log you there this too. So nice clear up as I do. Am I clear? Brownish looking reddish one there. Oh, good bit there. So then part of wet up, pull up, because I know heal up so much. But I heal up now, I have to wet up. You know, they stuck together like a cheap place dry. But I refine when rain start beat pan it. That's the refine still. So God bless you. Bless you, son. Even them can get a man like sun. Body more watch them. I want them to go sun. That's why I put your son over there.
I know say internet I pick up out here.
Yeah.
So that means I could have put you up on live.
Life can't watch out. Probably
Yeah, it does.
15 minutes reach now.
Almost.
Oh, still. You think we can pause that and make another video showing me about.
Yeah, it's 15 now. Pause it.
Let me talk looking for pause it. You guys, it's 15 minutes. Probably make a second video after my planting, but you're not going to sell it because a seed. We'll have one physical watermelon already. Look kind of sick. We'll put it out here and hope it come up. Nice, you know? So bless the body back to his pen, church Jesus Christ. Blessings, family. Bless you.